guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, To Love and To Clark. Forgive the mess. Today we are talking about this really awesome play yard, like baby gate, whatever you want to call it. It's a 4-in-1. I'll link the Amazon listing down below and you guys can go check it out. The baby just had a birthday. He's officially 1. So it's time to not have the pack and play as our primary way of pinning him up. He's just too big for that now, and he is due to walk like any day now. So I'm gonna open this up and we'll kind of review this, go over this. I'll talk about how easy setting up is. So we'll see how all that goes. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want to see more. So really quick to explain to you guys where I'm at in the house. If you walk in the front door, you will see straight into this little area that I'm sitting in now. This used to be our dining area, but then we got rid of the china cabinet here, as well as the dining table, just because we hardly ever like sit at a table and eat. So we really didn't need that for that kind of use. So right now this couch is part of a set that we have in the living room. So this is just an extra couch for if we have guests over or want to do game night or anything like that. We can sit on this couch here. I'm planning on leaving this couch. I have a little table here and then my kitchen bar is up here. So if I'm in the kitchen, cooking dinner, washing dishes, whatever, I can see straight into here, and this is going to be gated off like right here. So the baby will have some play area and then he can furniture walk and whatever. This gate, from what it looked like, you can wall mount it, but then you can also take it down and use independently as a pin. It's a 192 inches. So it goes from 50.5 to 192 inches wide, and then it is 28 inches tall. So I'm gonna open up this box here and we'll start assembling. So that was pretty easy taking it out of the box. I thought I was gonna have to put each of the panels together, but looks like that is not the case, so that's awesome. So as you guys can figure out, that means that this you can fold up, fold together, and just carry it around if you're moving it to a different part of the house or if you need to take it with you somewhere else. So I like that it's compact also. And of course that it's already put together. So I'm gonna see if I need to take a couple of panels off, if that's possible, because I don't know. I gotta figure that part out. And then we'll start wall mounting. So Okay, so I have the gate up and it is mounted each side onto the wall. Instead of using both of our wall mounts for each side, I just used one on each. It was actually pretty sturdy. If you were securing around a staircase, I would absolutely use both wall mounts, but because this is a bigger house and I might be using this elsewhere, I could probably use those mounts in a different spot rather than ordering more parts if that's what I had to do. I don't know if that's even an option. I will have to check on that. But like I said, my son just turned 1. I really don't see him like busting out of this thing. It's pretty secure. After you tighten these knobs, the joints, it doesn't move. So there's no way he can like, move the gates or fold the panels anyway. I will say this, I love the spacing between each rail. There's no way that my baby's hand is going to get stuck in this. The only way I see it getting stuck is if he had his hands right here through this smaller, very, very smaller panel. But, well, even then, his hands are not that fat. So, yeah, so overall, right now I'm pleased. This can be a pro and a con. It depends on how you look at it and what situation you're in. You have to pull this piece over, and then this piece will come up, and that's how you come out of the pin here. So let me close it. Push this over and to lift this up, because it just stays down. Now, the way that I see it as a con is if your hands are full, which usually my hands are full, because this is just a tad bit too tall for me to just be able to walk over. So I can't just walk over it if I have him on my arms. I am going to have to use both hands to open the gates, which is fine. The only other thing, which I've never really had a playpen like this before with my oldest, we did not have this. So this is new to me, and I'm sure it's every gate. It has like a little bar about this size going across the middle here where the gate opens. If he's anything like me and he's clumsy, he will fall over that if I am letting him walk out of this playpen, but obviously, you just supervise him walking out. You're letting him out, so, but we are on carpet too, so I'm not that worried about it, but just letting you guys know that there's a bar there, and that might be common sense to you guys, but not to me, because like I said, this is the first time I'm using this ever. So this is really high quality. I love that it is so sturdy and it's good quality. And then I can actually, instead of having a straight front here, I could actually create more of a play area for him, and I could round it out and give him some more space. But because this is like the walkway from the kitchen and the living room to our school room and the kids' room, like this is a high traffic walk area, so I cannot, I left like 2.5 feet to walk by, so that's plenty of space, and I still kind of jut out from the wall some, so I'll give you guys a closer look. So this is the wall mount. I don't have the second screw in there yet, but I do have the first one up there, and even with the first one, it's sturdy. So there's the wall mount. This is such a bigger play area for him. I think he's gonna love it. I really think he is. And I think I'll move this little table here and probably put like a toy box, or we'll probably store his toys in this area some way, somehow, some form or fashion. But okay, so this is how we unlock. Let's see here, see if I'm skilled enough. So you pull this back, you pull this piece back, let me focus, this piece back, and then you can, oh, yep, I can do it with one hand, and you flip it open. And this right here, this smaller space is what I was talking about, getting his hand stuck, but I don't think his hands are that fat, so I think we're good. Now his legs, however, his feet wouldn't get stuck here, but if we put his leg through here somehow, we will have to watch that, but he shouldn't be climbing out. He'll have toys in here, and so he should be just fine. So yeah, you loosen this here, and then it, and then you can, oops, here we go. And then you can bend it, which I can't right now because I have all the other knobs locked. So you just, and it has little teeth here. So these are, you can take them apart. I couldn't figure out how to do it, so I had to remove 2 panels from the middle of it and then kept the end panels as the end panel to mount to the wall. So this is our little play space, and I love it that it's right here because I will be able to see into here from our school area, from the living room, from the kitchen. So I'll be able to see them from every part of the house except for bathrooms, bedrooms, and probably laundry room, but that's just a short walk and no closed doors from here to there. So anyway, so that is the review of this guy, and I must say I love it already. I can't wait to have him back home this afternoon and give it a try. I think he's gonna love having such a bigger area in comparison to the pack and play. So I don't know if I'll end up ordering another one of these sets because, like I said, I saved one of the wall mount from each side, so that way I can use it again. He doesn't yank or pull. He's only 1 year old, so I don't see him tearing it off the wall. I don't see that happening at all. So I am going to leave the couch in there. I think that'll be fun. And plus, if I wanted to, I could sit on the couch and hang out with him, do things on my phone, work, whatever I need to do, and he can run around without me having to keep getting up to refocus him, get him away from power cords, from DVDs, from getting into different areas of the house and things like that. I can pick him up as I please and put him down as I please and not have to worry about a single thing. So that's actually, I'm looking forward to actually using this couch. This used to be the area where I would put laundry when I was procrastinating doing laundry and everything, but now that I've got such a better routine and I'm keeping up with the laundry, I am pretty certain that this couch will no longer be the laundry basket. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. If you would like to see more reviews from us as far as baby and children and mom and fiance type things, then stay tuned. Just hit the subscribe button so you can get more notifications. If you like this video, if you found it useful or helpful, hit the like button. And if you have any questions about this product, maybe I can help you. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. Alright, bye guys. More snacks. More snacks. Here you go. Give me that. Give me that. Give me those snacks. Good stuff. Whoops. Right here. Right here. There you go. Yeah. Now you can play. You gonna walk? Look at you go.